We're assuming the cutout has been organized on the roof of wherever the application is. The cutout will be just the open area of the base of the rotary vents. For the install the vent, firstly you take off the lid. The lock nut will be is visible. A 13 mils of socket, you can undo the nut.
Okay.
Once the nuts take off, the top part of the vents can be disassembled from the base. The base will be installed on top of the cutout. Silicone may apply after the fasteners put on the 4 holes on the base. By the seal and fasteners firmed, the vent can be put on top of the shaft. You put the nuts back on.
Okay.
Right. Don't tighten it too fast. By the time you feel that the lock nut is fastened, it will be enough to tighten the vent. You can check the spinning before put the top caps to protect the nut. Installation complete.